Hi everybody, and welcome to today's State City Escalators unboxing video.
Alright, so what do we have?
We have a,
Go ahead.
there.
I will hold it up. Okay. And it's from eBay.
Yeah,
And it came from Clackamas, Oregon.
from Chloe Jackson.
From Chloe Jackson, okay?
Before we start unboxing, there are some videos where John's video there are some elevators up on East Campus to go show you. We have to mute it for John's video for getting copyright. We'll be careful for these videos.
Okay. Are we going to do unboxing?
Before unboxing, we'll watch these videos.
Okay. Okay, press stop.
Watch these videos.
This is the East Elevator at Plant Sciences Hall, University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Now, I just noticed something about this elevator. Let's go to 4, and I'll show you on the way down. Alright guys, I'm refilming this one because the fan is off. Let's take it up to 4.
That's right. These elevators are shaped and been modded.
They Kind of tape that's a little weird.
That's right. These elevators, they shape and modded. From YouTube user Star City Elevators. From came at the building at the Plant Sciences Hall at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln.
Okay. Here.
On East Campus.
Careful. I got the top there for you.
From at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln.
Okay.
On East Campus.
Can you open it up?
Yep.
There you go. Just pull hard. Oh, you got packing peanuts.
Yeah.
I see packing peanuts.
Yeah.
Packing peanuts are a mess.
Packing peanuts.
Are a mess. Ah! It's like snow! Ah! Now I have to pick all that up. Okay. Go ahead. You want me to hold the camera up?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh boy. Look we have here.
Mm-hmm.
We have a Dover Classic.
Well, take the bubble wrap off of it. Just put it back in the box. Yeah. Put the bubble wrap and the packing peanuts in the box. Excuse me.
That got a burp.
Yeah. Drank a little bit of Pepsi. It's better to drink water. Drink plenty of water all the time.
Yeah.
What?
It.
What?
The wound's open.
Okay, here. Starts with me?
Yeah. So a big thank you to YouTube user Star City Elevators.
Sometimes you just have to open it just like Christmas. Right?
And also YouTube user LKN23.
There we go. Are you focusing? Oh, it does have wiring and lighting in the back.
Oh, cool.
It means we can try and wire it up with 9 volts.
Oh, cool.
Looks like it's going to take about 4 or 5 of them. But
Here it is.
there's the back with all
Here's
the
the back.
wiring. That's
All
gonna,
the wiring.
That's going to be fun to figure out. And this is the front.
This is the front. This number's kind of like one over what's the name of the hall?
I don't know.
Starts with capital P. Plant
Oh, Plant Sciences?
Hall
Mm-hmm.
at the University of
East Campus, right?
University of Nebraska
Mhm.
at
At Lincoln, yeah. Okay, now, where are you going to put it?
way in the top.
Come here. I think I have one more shelf. I can put a shelf here.
Yeah.
And you can just put it on the top shelf here. That way you don't have to put it up here. Unless you want it up there.
Yeah,
You want it up there, or do you want another shelf?
another shelf.
Okay, I'll see if I can find one. But we'll leave it like that.
Okay. Okay.
So
So
that's the last part of Jeffrey's collection.
final part collection.
Mhm, so-
Stay tuned for wiring videos later.
Okay, that'll be it.
That'll be it. So a big thank you to Star City Elevators and Elfcan23.
And the person on eBay
Yeah.
for letting you have it for a good price. Okay?
Okay.
All right. That's it.
That's it. And also there's Duchess right there.
Okay. Go ahead. I'm just going to clean up the mess.
There's Duchess. Alright, that was an unboxing video. That came from at the Plant Sciences Hall at UNL East Campus. A big thank you to YouTube user Star City Elevators and Elfkin23.
Okay.
With so that being said, thank you for watching,
Thank you for watching.
and that is all.
That is all.